Today we have this 1950 Smith Corona Silent vintage portable typewriter. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. The margins are right behind here, and you just move them with the finger like that. And there's a paper tray that flips up. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. You hit this line space, get you back to the beginning. It skips 1, 2, or 3 spaces. Right now we have it on single, but if you want double, you just flip that back 1. It'll skip 2, 1 more, it'll skip 3. We're gonna keep it on single for now and finish typing. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I'll type a sentence in red on the next line. Switch from black to red. Flip this down to the red dot. Very nice typing machine. I really like this model. It's a silent, but it's not really silent. It's just a little bit more muffled than a non-silent, which actually makes a big difference if you're typing in a house and somebody's in another room might not be able to hear it, but the other one they will. To pull the paper out easy, you just flip this switch forward. And it unlocks the rollers underneath the flatten, allowing you to pull the paper out easy or load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock. Make sure you flip that back before you load the next page, or else it won't load correctly. We're going to switch the color back to the top, which is the black. Backspace on the left side works good. Shift on each side and a shift lock on the left. To clear that, you just hit the shift button again. It's got a tab function. Put this back down. To set the tabs, flip this panel back, and there's little inserts that you could take off and put back on wherever you want. And it will, when you hit the tab, it'll stop at each one of these little inserts, just like that. And I'll show you from the front. Where is that tab button? There. Works good. Open the hood, you get your spools and your touch controls right here. So it's from low to high. Right now it's on low, and what this does is it loads a spring when you push it to the left under the keys, so the keys have more tension. They just have to hit them a little harder when you have it on high, and when you have it on low, you don't have to hit the keys as hard. And all the brand new ribbon is loaded on the left side here, so it's pulling to the right clockwise, and if you switch the direction with this switch here, switch that up, it'll pull counterclockwise to the left. We're going to keep it pulling to the right. If you get to the end of the ribbon, sometimes it'll jam up your vibrator. This is your vibrator here, and if that happens, it might seem like the typewriter is malfunctioning and you just need to change the direction. It's got a carriage release behind each knob to control the carriage freely, and there is a line space lever here, so when you push that down, it disables the line spacing when you turn the knobs. So you push it back up, you can hear that click. Each one of those clicks is 1 space. And that's about it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.